Bella, and I'm here with my sister.
Damaris!
What are we gonna be doing today?
Today, oh, it's shaking. Okay, today we're gonna be making butter slime. And meanwhile, she's gonna be telling me how to do the slime. She's gonna be
Needing this.
Model
We're using
Magic.
Model Magic, and you could use any kind of lotion, I think. I'm using lotion to make it like even softer. So she's gonna be making fluffy slime. You can make regular slime, and then we're gonna put the clay in.
Okay, so we're gonna start with Elmer's glue.
There.
She's the one telling me here.
Here you go. You can do all that. Here you go. Put a little bit more.
Not a lot of shaving foam, right?
Just go.
More.
A little bit more. There.
All right. So it's like about 2.5 pumps
That's gonna be all.
of the shaving foam, and you're gonna mix it up. You're gonna do this as if you were doing regular slime, and it's towards the end where it changes. So to make the best butter slime, you use what clay?
So
Dazel clay, but you would have to order that off of Etsy. And this video is showing
ESTY. Just bring your
ETSY, Etsy, not SD. And what we're showing is that we could make we're gonna try to make butter slime using a cheaper version.
And you could get it at Michael's, at Walmart,
or Target.
or Target.
All right, next.
What color are we gonna be doing?
I don't know.
So I can put the color in here.
What color? Hold up, let me mix it and whatever I get.
Yellow. Sweet mess. Put up here.
I'm making a banana. All right.
I don't
that's
like to
aside.
knead with
And I'm gonna mix
because
it.
my hands.
Okay, make sure you mix
Ooh,
it
it's like orange.
all good. And we mix the food coloring before the slime is actually done, so that we don't,
Get our hands dirty.
yeah, we don't get like our
But
hands
I'm
painted.
gonna get it because of mine.
Exactly, because she's kneading. Yeah. Okay, make sure you get everything. Okay, then the solution.
Yeah. You could use any activator, which it could be borax, saline solution, or Tide. Using that.
Or laundry detergent if you don't. Stafla works.
Saflo.
Because if you say Tide, they're gonna think just Tide.
We use Simple Clean and Fresh for Tide.
You can actually get Tide at the Dollar Tree. We actually did a video which was doing slime with Dollar Tree products, and if you watched it, you saw that we got a Tide bottle for $1. And if you haven't watched it, go watch it. Make sure you like the video. It's a good video.
Like this is a good color, Mama.
Yeah,
Can we put a little bit more?
it's like a pet.
You're welcome. Wait, how'd these get in here? How to them? Okay. Oh,
Whoa, that scared me. I'm sorry if it's shaking. You're shaking it. Sorry if it's shaking. My little shaking it.
yeah, once you did that.
It's because it's on the.
This is my color of my clay because you can see it.
And we tried our best to make it the same as this.
Can you guys see it?
Like this.
There we go.
It's very like. It's like not.
It is sticky, you mean?
Yeah. Like not together. That's working. Good job, Berlin.
You're moving
My
it.
hand hurts because It's like fluffy slime. Make sure you keep going until everything gets stuck together, kind of like this. Make sure it's not sticky like that. Alright.
There's a way if you like have one hand free from the slime, then and it's sticky, you could just put your activator, put it on your hand, and then just do it real fast and just put it the bowl into it again. Or you could have somebody to help you. That would be way easier.
Just like I'm here helping them.
With what? I'm
Slime.
helping you. You didn't help me put this, even though if I don't need it.
You don't need activator.
That's why.
I'm still
Helping you, look.
I could have done it. Look.
Well, I did it first.
Alright. I think it's done, but then I think we just need to put like
You
shade.
just need to knead it.
No, look at it. Look at this. It needs shaving foam.
Here, get it with your hands.
No, I don't want to use my hands. I don't like using my hands. She's the one.
Yes.
She's the one that uses her hands. I don't. I'd rather stick to just mixing and using a spatula.
Spatula. Okay, let me go with my hands.
Hey, you just pick it up.
Boy. It's not even sticky.
I know, because I fixed it. I said we needed shaving foam. Don't roll your eyes.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, you did.
I need activator.
I'm gonna replay it where she did that much. I didn't roll my eyes.
I didn't.
Okay, go.
What?
There? Because you're gonna mix it with the thing. Alrighty.
How? There.
Which takes forever.
Like you're not the one kneading, it would have been sticky on you again.
That's why you're doing it, but you're taking forever.
Like you won't take forever.
That's why I don't do it.
Okay.
Next, you're gonna get a little bit at a time of the clay, whatever you use. We're using Model Magic we got you at Michael's.
Kneaded
And
it.
you're gonna do a little at a time until you
It
see
could
to get
just put a
consistency.
lot.
Yeah,
at a
you can
time.
put a lot at a time.
Can you put more?
And this is not sticky, that's why I can help with this. Whenever I touch slime, it just automatically sticks to me. This isn't even slime and it's sticking to me.
Okay, go.
Probably my
Put it all over.
All of it?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go, big chunk. We use like quarter of this, so you could technically make 4 butter slimes depending on how big you
I
want to
want
make
to
it.
do it. I want to do it with the camera. I want to show them.
Alright, she wants to show you guys. You guys have to make sure you mix it in with the slime.
Really well.
Yeah, really well. As you can see, it's working out. Alright,
Let's
give
see
them
if
the
it's
spread.
good.
Oh, look at that spread.
Wow.
I didn't follow it all the way. Alright, and that's how you make it. Alright guys, so that was it for the butter slime. We showed you that you could do it with Model Magic instead of having to buy Daiso, which you would have to order, so you could just go to Walmart.
So make sure you subscribe, like, and
Comment down below what the next video should be
make sure to turn on those post notifications.
to get notified when we post every Monday, Wednesday, and
Friday!
yeah! See you guys!
Bye. It's not even sticky.
I know, because I fixed it. I said we needed shaving foam. Don't roll your eyes.
I
Yeah, you did.
I need the activator.
I'm gonna replay it where she did that much.